Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the specific Canva project and locating the clip with the background sound you want gone. Make a duplicate page or export the original audio so you can revert if needed. Once done, select the video or audio element on the timeline so the editor shows audio controls. Make sure you can hear the clip and note where the unwanted sound appears. This lets you target edits precisely rather than guessing and wasting time. Next, detach the audio from the video or click the standalone audio track to access editing tools. Use split to isolate noisy segments and trim to remove them. Reduce volume for parts you cannot remove entirely. Then open Effects and apply Canva's Reduce Background Noise option to soften hiss or hum. If reduction isn't enough, replace the segment with a fresh music or voiceover clip. Make small adjustments and play back repeatedly so you can hear the improvements as you go. Finish by previewing the full project at normal playback level and watch transitions to ensure audio stays synced. Export a short low-resolution video or download the audio preview to verify the background sound is gone across all devices. If you still hear noise, undo step-by-step to the backup, try reapplying noise reduction with different settings, or use an external noise removal tool and re-import the cleaned audio. If nothing works,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.